If you've ever spent a winter in and around the Great Lakes, you're probably intimately familiar with lake effect snow. And I just wanted to sort of talk about the process that produces lake effect snow for no particular reason. You take a look here. Basically, it comes down to the fact that water holds on to warmth more effectively than land. So when you get a brutally cold Arctic air mass that builds up over land, in the case of the Great Lakes, over Canada, it moves over the relatively warmer waters of the lake. And that produces a very unstable environment. As that colder air moves over the warmer lakes, the air in contact with the water gets warmed a little bit, and that warm air will rise through that much colder air that's in place aloft, producing clouds, producing precipitation, in many cases snow, and those prevailing winds that push that cold air over those warmer waters produces that snow that then moves across the lake over land, producing what we call lake effect snow. So really the two ingredients, right, are just a really cold air mass moving over relatively warmer waters. We'll take a look. There's a whole lot of cold air out over the United States right now. Look at the northern tier of the country. 3 degrees right now, Chicago, -1 in Minneapolis. That cold air has already moved in here. It was very cold this morning. But even colder air, another shot of Arctic air, another wave is set to move its way southward going into the weekend. Air that will move over and across the Gulf, which is much warmer. In fact, the Gulf is holding on to that warmth pretty good here right now. You see that area in the central Gulf, it's what we call the loop current. Numbers are in the upper 70s and low 80s. That's going to be quite a disparity in the temperatures between the Arctic air mass that's going to dive over the Gulf and the water temperatures there over the Gulf. And that is going to lead to potentially something that we call Gulf effect. In this case, showers or perhaps even snow showers to form. Take a look at this. We go forward in time, and here we are by 1 a.m. on Sunday. Note on our model here, there's some blue mixing in near Tampa. That's our model picking up on it being cold enough that as those little pockets of Gulf effect, I almost said lake effect, Gulf effect precipitation form, that some of that could fall in the form of snow. But then look more closely here too as we go forward. Again, this is 3 a.m. early Sunday morning. The blue showing up. Yeah, there's the potential. It could be cold enough here in southwest Florida that we could see a few wet flakes mixing in as that moves through early on Sunday. And regardless of that potential, and still a low potential, but something, of course, we'll be watching for, what we know for sure is it is going to be cold, brutal for this part of the country. 30 Arcadia LaBelle early Sunday morning, 33 in Gateway, upper 30s all the way to the Naples area. And then Monday morning has the potential to be even colder. Those are 20s into Arcadia and LaBelle, and we could see feels-like numbers in the teens in some of those spots here too. So again, as far as the potential to see a few flakes mixing in here locally, I wouldn't say it's zero. It's a low chance. Nothing would stick, but it's something we'll be watching for you here. And you definitely want to be sure you're thinking about the cold that is heading our way here too. Gulf Coast 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, another Gulf Coast weather impact day. Temperatures in the 30s to start 60s by the afternoon. Friday, the nicest day of the bunch, that's for sure. We're back at 70 with sunshine. Saturday, as we get that front to move in here, there will be some rain early in the day and then some strong gusty winds as that Arctic air moves in. Again, we're talking overnight Saturday into Sunday. That's when you have the potential to potentially see a couple of flurries here locally. And then it's going to be very cold. 30s Sunday morning and Monday morning. 50s for highs on Sunday. And we slowly try to claw out of this cold snap as we work our way into the middle part of next week. That's your forecast from Gulf Coast Weather.